In gardens that are not able to collect rainwater from an adjacent building, we build a structure. We start by digging holes, cutting lumber, attaching joist hangers, continue digging holes, setting the posts level with bracing, continue digging holes, preparing the platform, platform will hold the tank, mixing concrete for footings, attaching joists, preparing the area for the tank, and preparing the tank itself by placing holes in the tank and attaching fittings. Raising the roof joists. Attaching the custom-made gutter. Placing the sheet metal roof on the joists. And securing the joists with screws. Preparing the piping and connecting the plumbing from the downspout to the tank. The finished product.